Hello, welcome to a new video. Today I'm talking about sitting, which I'm doing now, and standing, which if I stood up, I would be out of the camera shot, so you wouldn't be able to see me. But we sit in chairs like this one, or on the sofa, and we watch TV, we watch shows, we watch movies. Sitting down is more relaxing. It doesn't really use any muscles because the chair, the thing you're sitting on, is supporting your weight, it's holding you up, so you don't have to worry about using your muscles. If you're on your feet all day, standing up, your feet are going to hurt at the end of the day because you've been on your feet all day. Because standing up uses a lot more energy, and most doctors they recommend people to do a lot more standing than they do. This isn't really a problem for people who are on their feet all day doing manual jobs, they're doing things with their hands, as opposed to people who might work in an office and they just sit in the same position, maybe slouch instead of sitting up straight. They're not really using their leg muscles, the muscles in their legs, they're not using properly to keep healthy. So they need to stand up and walk a lot more than they do because maybe they're sitting in front of a screen from morning until evening, and it's over time this has bad effects on your body and your posture. But also, too much standing and working your body too hard can have problems for you as well, especially if you're not getting proper rest. You can have back problems, you can have problems with your feet, with your knees, stuff like this. The joints, we have cartilage in our joints. Cartilage is the thing between the joint in the knee or any joint, the elbow, where it keeps the joint malleable, means you can move it easily. And when this wears out, it wears away over time. So people who are older, they can't walk as much, they can't do as many activities because they get pain on their bones because they're rubbing together, which means their bodies, they feel pain, and for them, it's probably better to sit down. But when you're young, you can stand for a long time and it's better than sitting down. It's a lot better for your health. But to record this video, I'm sat down, it's more relaxing and it's easier to do for me. But thank you for watching. I'll see you all soon, very soon in the next video.